Hey folks, you looking for a good impact socket set with everything you need in here? Now, we were giving this free for honest review. This comes with 3/8 drive. It comes with a screwdriver, lots of different drill bits for different things, flat, Torx, Star, Phillips, Hex, whatever you need. It comes with a few deep wells going from 8mm all the way up to 22mm. And then it goes from 5/16 up to 3/4. And then you have your standard small ones ranging in size from 5/16 all the way up to 3/4. And then you go from 8mm all the way up to 22. Got some extensions. This is kind of a neat tool because if you can't get in there, you can always put this on there, turn it, and get exactly what you need. So this is a cool feature because if you've got a unique situation, put it on your 3/8. Notice what's going on here. I can swivel this. So if I've got a nut or bolt in a unique situation, I can use this pivot, okay? So that's a great tool depending on what your predicament is. If you have a impact driver, a 3/8 extension goes right in your impact driver. If you have some 1/4" drives, that's what this is for, 3/8 to 1/4" drive. I talked about that 1/4" a little while ago. That's what this is for. You put that on there, and now you can take your 3/8 to 1/4 attachment, and then if you have a Phillips, put that in there. You can take out. So it's kind of an all-in-one. Got pretty much whatever you need. So this is a great piece of gear. Hope you guys enjoy it.